An air conditioner is a part of a central heating and cooling system. Draws heat energy out of the house and transfer it to the outside air. Most air conditioners starts out as raw material in the form of structural steel shape and sheet steel. From the shear press, the steel metal is loaded on a CNC punch press. That machine cuts the metal sheets into a parts of layer. After these, all parts must be completely clean and free of dirt, oil and grease before they are powder coated. Before brackets, pans and wrappers are assembled together, they are fed through a powder coating operation. The powder coating system spray a paint like dry powder to the parts as they are fed. After these, the condenser and evaporator both act as a heat exchanger in air conditioning system and are made of copper or aluminum tubing bent around in coil form to maximize the distance through which the working fluid travels. A major part of the assembly is the joining of the copper tubing with the aluminum plates. After this designed to increase the system pressure and circulate the working fluid, the pumps is connected with the fitting to the system. Compressors, condenser and connecting tubes are branched by highly skilled branching operators. After confirming in line helium leak test, parts are assembled. After this processing, outdoors units are assembled.
Everything you know is in your mind.
Each and every air conditioner has to pass through performance testing to allow itself into the next stage. Packaging are done by auto strapping machine.